The Federal High Court in Abuja has affirmed the power of the Senate to discipline any member for unethical conduct. Justice Binta Nyako, in a judgment on Friday, held that under the Senate rules, the Senate President is empowered to allocate seats for members, and such a member is only allowed to speak from the seat allocated to him or her. And since Natasha was not speaking from the seat allocated to her during the Senate sitting on February 20, she was not entitled to be heard. Correspondent Oleojo reports that the judge heard that although the Senate could suspend its members, it should reconsider the period of such suspension. She urged the Senate to consider recalling her to afford her the opportunity to represent her constituency and for her to also apologize to the Senate. Earlier, Justice Nyako found her guilty of contempt and fined her 5 million naira to be paid to the coffers of the federal government. The judge found Natasha to have violated an order of the court made on April 4, restraining parties from commenting on the subject of the pending suit. The judge held that by posting a satirical letter on her Facebook page on April 27, while the April 4 order subsided, Natasha was in contempt of court. The judge said since Natasha is found guilty of contempt in a civil case, thereby making it a civil contempt, she would not be sent to prison but made to pay a fine and offer public apology to the court. Justice Nyako ordered Natasha to pay 5 million naira to the coffers of the federal government and publish public apology in 2 national dailies and her Facebook page within 7 days.
First application by the Senate that no social media post should have been made was in our favor. And there has been directions that that satirical apology should be taken down and an apology be posted in 2 national dailies. And a damages of 5 million naira was also awarded.
Court held that it amounts to civil contempt and that the plaintiff is ordered to pay a fine of 5 million naira, to issue an apology to the court, and to have the said apology also published on the same medium within which the publication that offended the court was done.